So guys, come on. Let me show you how to use this OBD car scanner version 310 that I got from Mali Autos. I got mine today. My car has been showing the check engine light. So let's see what is happening. So this is the OBD port. You're going to connect it to your car's OBD port. Every car made from 2006 has an OBD port. You can see that the light is on now for the scanner. So let me start my car's engine. So the check engine light is on. Let us try and find out what is wrong. Come here. So this is the OBD. You click on the OBD using the direction button and then you click OK. Oh, so there's an error code found on this car. That's why the light is on. So let us try and read the code. So this is the code P0128. That means the coolant thermostat is malfunctioning. Actually, mine has been removed. That's why it's showing. But we can try and clear the error code now. So you go back and then you come here and then you try to erase code. So this is are you sure you want to erase this trouble code? Yes. So you press yes. Now look at this. Look at what is going to happen to this thing when I press yes. I have pressed yes now. Now, what happened to the engine light? The engine light has disappeared. So I have successfully cleared the error code. So you don't need to go to your mechanic. You don't have to exploit and manipulate. Once you have this scanner, you can be able to scan your car from the comfort of your home. No mechanic will manipulate you again.